Creating and submitting a retrofit lighting project using the online lighting calculator, Part 1. Getting a project started in the Hancock Cloud. This video steps through the process for starting a new application in the Hancock Cloud component of BPA's new online lighting calculator, or OLC. This is the first of 6 videos that will cover the application process for a retrofit lighting project from start to finish. In order to complete these steps, you'll need to have a user account for the OLC and have installed the OLC's Mint application on your desktop or tablet. Step 1. Go to the Hancock Cloud at https://bpa.hancocksoftware.com/heec/pound/ and sign in using the login name and password you received via email from BPA. Step 2. Next, you'll need to click on the application bar in the left side taskbars and then click the New Application button in the upper right corner. This will open the new application screen. Step 3. Fill in all of the required fields in the contact area of the application info form. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk, as we can see here with the customer name field. If the emailing address is the same as the project site address, check the box next to that information. Otherwise, enter the mailing street address, mailing city, mailing state, and mailing zip code. Note, there are pull-down menus for city and state. Entries must match those exactly. Fields not marked with an asterisk are not required but can be useful. For example, the customer name and customer name 2 fields will automatically be combined to create the project name in a later step. Step 4. After the contact information is entered, click on the Energy Consumption section. Note, this is where you'll assign the project to the retail electric utility serving the site. Click New and select the appropriate utility name. Based on the utility you've selected, the energy rate and demand rate fields will populate with default values. If the default values are not appropriate for the project you're working on, you can override them by simply typing the correct values in energy rate and demand rate fields. Whether you leave the default rates or update them, you'll need to click Save. Step 5. The next step is to click the Application Qualification tab and then the Qualify button in the upper right corner. Select the allocation that applies to the project you've been working on. If you are unsure of the correct allocation, reach out to the project serving utility for assistance. Once the allocation is selected, close the window with the X in upper right-hand corner. Step 6. Check the checkbox next to the newly created application and click the Create Project button. This will take you to the project screen. In the Schedule section, click New, then enter the task, which is always assessment, person from the pull-down menu, scheduled date will show a calendar. The person assigned the assessment task must be someone within your organization within the OLC and may be yourself. Only users assigned the assessment task will be able to edit this project in the Mint application. Also, please note that the application won't sync to Mint until the date chosen, so choosing today will ensure it syncs to Mint immediately. Click OK after picking the date and click Save there and again in the upper right-hand corner. The project you've created is now ready to sync to the Mint application by whomever is assigned the assessment task. The second video in this series will cover syncing a newly created project to Mint and adding building information. If you have any questions, please contact your energy efficiency representative, visit the online lighting calculator page, or email us at lighting@bpa.gov.